In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Grammarly desktop application seamlessly. Grammarly is a powerful tool that helps you sharpen your writing skills, whether you're crafting an important email, working on a report, or drafting a novel. So let's dive right in and help you get started with Grammarly on your desktop. First things first, you'll want to open up a web browser on your computer and navigate to Grammarly's official website. To do this, simply type in grammarly.com/desktop in the address bar and hit enter. This should take you directly to the desktop version download page of Grammarly. Here, you'll be greeted with Grammarly's clean and intuitive interface that makes downloading a breeze. Now, on this page, you need to look for the button that says Download Grammarly. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to getting Grammarly installed on your computer. As soon as you click, the download should automatically start, so make sure you keep an eye on the bottom of your screen for the download progress. Once the download is complete, you'll have an installation file on your computer, usually in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location for downloads. Find this file and double-click on it to run the installation wizard. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If any permissions are requested, make sure to allow them to ensure a smooth installation. The wizard will guide you through each step, usually involving just a few clicks, and there you have it. After installation, Grammarly will likely launch automatically for the first time, allowing you to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. From here, you're ready to leverage Grammarly's full suite of features to enhance your writing precision and clarity. As a quick tip, make sure to explore Grammarly's settings once it's installed. This can help you customize your experience according to your personal writing goals. You can adjust things like language preference, set writing goals, or even determine the types of corrections you'd like Grammarly to focus on, such as grammar, punctuation, style, or all of the above. In essence, installing Grammarly on your desktop is a simple and swift process. With it, you can ensure that your writing is polished, professional, and a true reflection of your thoughts. So go ahead, download the app, and let Grammarly elevate your writing game to a whole new level. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process easier for you. Happy writing, and see you in the next video.